Energy are developing batteries that can power from small gadgets like wristwatches, solar lanterns to power homes, industries, villages, and cities.
We are indigenously developing our low-cost, safe, and high-performance sodium-ion batteries that are made from bio-waste or agriculture waste like paddy straw or cattle manure, and earth-abundant materials like sodium, reducing our dependence on scarce elements like lithium, cobalt, or nickel, which are essential components of import-dependent and expensive lithium-ion batteries.
As we all know, the disposal of paddy straw is a huge problem in North India. Around 35 million tons of paddy straw is being burned every year. The paddy straw burning creates huge air pollution issues.
We at Indie Energy, a startup incubated at TIDES IIT Roorkee, have invented and patented technologies that converts cow manure and paddy straw into battery-grade carbon material, which act as electrode material for sodium-ion batteries.
The technology involves collecting paddy straw from villages or fields and cutting them into small pieces. It is then processed using Indie Energy's patented technology to create battery-grade carbon out of it. The synthesized carbon is then further processed in our battery lab facility to create a sodium ion pouch cell, a first of its kind in India.
Indie Energy's sodium-ion battery will not only reduce India's dependence in importing scarce elements like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, it also helps in creating additional income source for our farmers. The farmers can sell their disposed extra to battery-grade carbon manufacturing companies like us.
To make India self-reliance, Indie Energy Technologies has started working in the area of sodium-ion batteries. We have invented new materials, cell technologies based on agricultural waste and bio-waste material, and the performance of our cell is at par with lithium-ion batteries with the low cost. So we believe that our technology can immediately replace lithium-ion batteries and lead-acid batteries for whatever the application we can look for.